True's horizontal air curtain series place maximum attention on merchandising and allow easy access to displayed products, resulting in high impulse sales. Ideal for packaged fresh salads, sandwiches, desserts, and beverages. THACs are available in 3 sizes. The exterior is a non-peeler chip powder-coated steel, durable and permanent. A stainless steel option is available for an upcharge. The interior features an attractive, NSF-approved aluminum liner with stainless steel floor. High illumination LEDs enhance the lighting and brilliance of the product. All units are backed by an industry-leading warranty, 3 years parts and labor, with an additional warranty on the compressor. True's exclusive reversing condenser fan motor helps minimize periodic maintenance, keeping the condenser free from dirt, dust, and debris, keeping coils clean and optimizing the unit's performance, providing colder holding temperatures and increased energy efficiency. Accessories such as a dry goods area are available for this product. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provides colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's horizontal air curtain series